Anyways, Swiss Watch Expo. Today I'm looking at this absolutely gorgeous Cartier Tank American watch. We just got this into our collection and I really wanted to show it off because I think it's amazing. It's on this wonderful brown leather strap which feels pristine. It feels really stiff and wonderful. It's got these gorgeous 2 rows of diamonds all the way around, and I really like this smaller 2 rows of diamonds. I think it's really delicate and dainty and it just looks beautiful on a watch, especially a lady's watch. I just think it looks great. And as you can see, it's got this gorgeous like deep brown pattern dial that kind of, as you move around, the numbers disappear and reappear, which I love. It kind of adds this like extra element of depth to the watch, which is just absolutely gorgeous. I love the Arabic numerals as well. I like how funky they are. I love when Cartier does these Arabic numerals. I just think the font itself is really fun. Overall, I think this watch is a great choice for someone who wants an absolutely beautiful piece to put on and wear every single day, or maybe just pull out for special occasions. I also think it looks kind of like a modern take on a vintage watch because it's got kind of warmer, darker tones, but it's definitely kind of feels more modernly made. Overall, I think this watch is beautiful and definitely you would love to wear it because it feels wonderful to wear. It looks great on the wrist. It's super flattering. And I just overall am absolutely in love with this watch. So if you are like me and you've fallen in love with it, you should definitely check it out right now at SwissWatchExpo.com.